Ayike guys uthi uGosihlubi yena engamane amophe imvula kunokuthi achithele i-girlfriend yakhe yayiva ke sana. Hey uGosi shame kushuthi usemathumandeni, he is in love. Okay guys, let's check the comments. Uthi lona Gosihlubi Sima is dating Andile Mofokeng. I think he knows. People mara atilona, and guess what, he actually ain't mopping the rain. Watilona, legendary comment. Bro is renting that mob, but I can't prove it. Atilo, forget the mob, he rented the girl 2 shots. Yup. Atilo, which girlfriend are you referring to? Guys, we all know Gutukuluma Gokuhle. Come on. He is dating Gugu. We know by now. We know. Ati bro forgot he is single. Nope, he is not single, guys. Kanti buka social media nina. Ati Gosihlubi, give me some money. How? Ayike bengayilindele at all. You mopping the streets, not the rain. Ay bandla, shame. Ati she cheated already. Amphendulile ukuthi it's an old video, and yes guys, that was an old video. Google didn't cheat. Ati lona, which girlfriend, isn't she married? No guys, Ukuku is not married. That video guys, it's an old video guys. I made a video about this, go check it out. She's not doing the same. Haike Aike asanzike babes. Uthi lona, the neighbors ngempela umakhelwane bathi nje bambuka umophana nephansi lapha eminyango kunetha. Ayibandla athi lona, ghost, just focus on God. Yo ayike sana. Yes sir. Now you video. This video guys is old. It's a very old. I think he X and J. He's just a beta X. That's it. Otherwise, Google and Ghost are good. Google recently posted a video and Ghost was on it. They're good. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.